Innovation Synergy online courses are designed to have you learn new technology and strategies today, which you can apply to your work tomorrow. Increase your knowledge and skills by learning from those who have improved student and employee performance through years of experience as leaders in business and education. Expert authors have presented to thousands of learners through in-person and online courses, office training, and conference workshops. With a wide range of courses to choose from, including business courses in sales strategies, leadership effective environments, digital marketing, education courses in teaching and course design, you can find the perfect program to meet your goals. Our courses are taught by business and academic leaders who bring real-world experience and practical insights to the virtual classroom. Not only do we present a variety of ways you can add to what you already know, we focus on you as a person and the experience you bring. Our courses are designed to help you as a novice or an expert. They provide ideas and experiences for you to reflect on your work and learning practices. We have designed them as narratives, so it feels like we are sitting next to you guiding your learning and are perfect for those who want to learn alone or in teams. Pick yours and choose the course and life you want to take.